really impressed with your conference and Autism Tree is sort of the breadth of the different topics that you guys cover. And it comes organically from the people that you meet and like Otto and like Laura, and you really follow, I feel like, these autistic journeys and they take you in different directions. And so your conference has, topics from stem cell research to rare genetic conditions. You have geneticists and biologists on your committees, but then you also have service providers and, you just span the whole gamut of autism and autism services. And I think that's really special about Autism Tree. And I appreciate that about your conference. You always have really top-notch speakers, a lot of really cutting edge autism research science comes to your conference, and it's not all just the same topic every year. So I really think that's special about what you do. And then being able to bridge it between that science to the actual, members of the community who can benefit from that science, I think is really powerful as well.